Finally, my second-year annual examinations are over, and now I'm officially on my vacation holidays. It feels so relaxing after weeks of studying and exam stress. Most of my friends have already gone back home to spend time with their families. I really wanted to go too, but my home is very far away. So this time I decided to stay here instead. At first, the hostel felt a little quiet and empty. But then I thought, why not make these holidays a little special? It's been such a long time since I treated myself to something different. So today, I made myself a delicious chocolate cone ice cream with a brownie sundae. Honestly, it looked so tempting. And the first bite was absolutely amazing. The creamy ice cream, the crunchy chocolate cone, and the soft brownie together. It was the perfect dessert after all the hard work. See you in the next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.